I did a video not too long ago about this project. If you remember, the installers high nailed the shingles. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 5 nails in it. But they high nailed all the shingles, and she had a little 30-mile-an-hour wind blow. Yes, sir. Yep. We had a 30-mile-an-hour wind blow at this place. And these shingles blew off. Look where they nailed them.
Let's see what?
Get a video of that, Paul, where their old nails were. There you go. It's already recording. That's where the old nails were. That's ridiculous. The whole roof is nailed off that way, guys. The whole roof. And the mobile home company, I don't think wants to give her a new roof. And she definitely should be getting one. Because I'm a little worried that the shingles that Paul's sitting on won't slide right up from under him. That's what worries me. Oh my God, look at that, Paul. Her whole roof is going to blow off of this house. That's insanity. It's not even funny, really. I mean, it's terrible.
I got baked in with.
Look at that. Look at that. Where are the nails under there? Can we see them?
They're up high.
Oh, high. Gosh.
I got to put nails in there.
Oh my God.
I can't even get my gas.
No. And they didn't even nail the outside edge, Paul.
Nope.
They did not nail the outside edge. See where he just nailed that?
Outside.
That's where you're supposed to nail the outside nail. They put none all the way up through there.
Yeah, my overhang's right there.
They're 8 inches away from their outside nails.
Yep, right here.
That's the last nail right there. So that's 6 inches from the outside edge. Easy. It's supposed to be minimum 2. Lord have mercy. This is what you call. Yeah, just sit it right there, honey. Thank you so much.
Just tell her step back for a minute.
Huh?
Tell her step back.
You're welcome. We're gonna re-nail what we can right here. This whole roof needs to be re-nailed. Huh?
Yeah.
Paul's just lifting up the shingles that are loose. They're not even sticking. Look at that. This is a totally separate area.
I'm sticking a little bit.
Ain't sticking very much, buddy. Let's see where they nailed it. Way up there. The nail line is here. See that mark? That's where the nail line is supposed to be. And nails are way up there and overdriven. Look at that nail right there. It's overdriven. Look at that. It's halfway into the shingle. Good Lord have mercy. It's sad.
If it don't stick, they're going to fall down.
Oh my word. Look at that, Paul. That's that next shingle above it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's a shingle above it.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah, that's insanity.
Yeah. If you don't do it, what's going to happen?
Yeah, it's just going to fall out. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it tells me. Not nailed up here.
Oh, this not nailed up there either. It's high nailed, and so it doesn't get into the next shingle.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
Damn. And that wasn't even one we took out.
No.
That's just falling out, literally. Oh my God. I hate to be so dramatic, but that's just terrible when you're looking at a job like this. Brand new roof. This roof is a year old, and it's falling, literally coming down. She had a home inspector come by yesterday or whatever, and they gave her a report, and it's nasty. Shingle, not only is it nailed high, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. That is crazy.
Flip over on the backside.
Yeah, not only is it nailed high, the nails are supposed to be down here.
Why?
They're supposed to be, when you put a nail in, it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to hold these 2 tabs together. Oh, Barbara. Damn it. Look how loose they are.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is terrible, Paul. No nails in the top. I mean, all the nails are in the top of the shingles. Way high. Show them what you're using, Paul. We use a snake. This is what we use to get up underneath shingles. It's called a snake. You don't buy these on Amazon. I'm going to try to put a link below this video for the snake. Put a nail right there. That way you don't have to lift up the tab a whole bunch trying to drive that nail in there and break the shingle. So do that. set it, pull it out, put it on top, and drive it the rest of the way. What a snake. You little snake. Thing comes in so handy.
Oh, yeah.
The snake. That's how you get the last nails in without tearing up that shingle above it. Works great. The snake. I'm going to try to leave a link in the bottom of this video. Look how they put that pipe boot on, guys. Any roofer knows that ain't right. Look at that. Look at that. The
One more down.
that pipe boot should actually be underneath that shingle right there, and it's not. That's terrible.
Yeah, one more down.
Terrible. All right, so even though we're putting in these 3 shingles that blew out, she still has major issues on this roof. Major issues on this roof. The shingles just are nailed all in the wrong spot. I'm not going to try to take anything loose, but this roof's in bad shape. She had an inspector go on the inside, and he says that there's places up here where the shingles are not even nailed. No nails at all coming through the roof where the shingle should be. I didn't go in the attic, but I can just imagine from what I've experienced on this job already. This roof is a year old, Paul.
You always sealed up.
Yeah, they should be sealed up. They're not, though.
Yeah.
They're loose as hell. That's why they're blowing off. A year old. That's terrible. Unbelievable.
Is that GAL?
No.
You like it?
No, what was in the shingles? You grabbed them out of the pack.
No, I don't like it. Yeah.
They were different. I've never seen them around here. It's the shingles they put at the top,
Yeah.
which are the wrong color. What you say, big boy? How you doing? How are you doing? Talking to me. What you say, hound dog? I know, it's terrible. It's terrible. They need a new roof. I can tell you what, when you have a brand new roof, you should not be able to lift up the edge of your roof like that. Look at that. That shingle moving all the way back to here. Look at that, Paul. Nothing's nailed. Oh my goodness. Look at this, man. This is ridiculous. Yeah, the nails are so far up there. Almost all the way through. And this is the last nail. There's a nail. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that nail went all the way through, so it didn't hold anything. Yeah, this whole thing is... This whole house is about to blow off, actually. I'm telling you, it's terrible. Might as well at least nail it down for them. Unbelievable. It's ugly. And that's what I charge for a roof repair like this. $225. That's what a roofer is going to charge you for something like that, even though it's 3 shingles. I'm also half an hour from my house, maybe a little more. Add it all together, you got to charge something.